Hi everyone, it's Matt from Greatness Everyday, and what we do is we help real people live great lives, and fitness and wellness is a key component of that. So that's why we are starting the 50 Days of Fitness Challenge. I'm asking you to go ahead and when you do your workout or you attend a wellness event, I need you to go ahead and take a photo, a video, an Instagram story, or quote something from that event. And I want you to write a post on social media, on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, wherever you are on social media. And I want you to share that with people. Now, whatever your goal is, maybe that's to lose 5 pounds, maybe that's to gain muscle, maybe that's to run a marathon. It's about getting better each and every single day and thinking about that one step at a time. If you're looking at those 1% gains, those 1% gains add up if you focus on doing one thing right each and every day. So that's why we're doing the 50 Days of Fitness Challenge. I've been wanting to integrate fitness and wellness into Greatness Everyday a lot more, and today's perfect because I've just been announced as a Lole brand ambassador for their new men's line that's out now. This is something I'm very excited about because I have similar values to the company related to personal development, fitness, and wellness. So that's why I said yes to this opportunity. If you want to know more about Lole and what they stand for, I'm going to leave their links down in the video description below, and I'd really encourage you to check it out. So to review everything, today is the start of the 50 Days of Fitness Challenge. To participate, go on to Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, or whatever social media platform you use and make a post related to fitness or wellness. I want you to tag Greatness Everyday in that post and use the hashtags 50 Days of Fitness and Greatness Everyday so that we can see each other's posts, we can encourage each other, we can challenge each other to take this challenge one step further. And I want you to invite others to participate. The whole part of what we do is to establish a community of real people living great lives, and this is our first step. So I look forward to seeing you document your journey. I am working on some sort of giveaway right now. I'm not sure what that looks like entirely, but make sure that you're subscribed to this channel and following us on the different social media platforms to be updated when that giveaway comes out.